Let's count the number of animals and birds. Count the number of elephant. 1. One elephant. Count the number of giraffe. 1, 2. Two giraffe. Count the number of hen. 1, 2, 3. Three hens. Count the number of deer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four deers. Count the number of rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five rabbits. Count the number of monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six monkeys. Count the number of birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven birds. Count the number of ant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eight ants. Count the number of snail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 snails. Count the number of butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 butterflies.